2015 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard four-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, remote engine start, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, backup camera, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.